Hey, Coco. 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 Hey, Coco. How you doing, boy? How you doing, boy, Coco? How you doing? Is your turn to be out? Hmm? Coco. Coco, my boy. You're handsome. You're handsome. Yeah. You're handsome. Hey, Charlie. How you doing? So these two, I tried twice to put them together and they fight. And actually Charlie, this baby right here, he's cute as he looks. He's a fighter. By himself, he's just fine, but hopefully soon he's gonna go to his owner and we just have Coco to look after. But yeah, Charlie gets some time out. They switch because otherwise there'll be a fight going on, and I just don't care for that. But I love them both. Charlie, I love you. Love you, boy. I love you, my Charles. I love you, Charles. You a good boy? He was outside, and now that he's inside, he doesn't complain much because it started getting hot. So before July, he came in. We're glad to have him in here now. And that's it for this video. Looks like all my people downstairs and upstairs are not feeling well. Smoke is coming out of his funk. But these other ones, Mufasa and Lucky and Lana, they're suffering still. Their nose is stubbed up. So these guys are separated. That's why they're not going to catch that, whatever they have. But I'll be glad when all this is over, all that suffering. I don't like to see them like that. See, these guys are good. Coco, I love you. I love you, boy. And they're both purring. Coco, nice. Coco. Coco. You know my boy Coco. Okay. Well, I guess that's it. See you later, boys. I love you. I love you. Yeah, I love you. Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. See you later. See you later.